Oh yeah. So we got ourselves a little project. This is on the S10 I just got. Just a couple of spots, but underneath is pretty clean. Just got this spot here, some touch up down there. A little bit of paint fix here. Ain't a super big deal. Just gonna sand it down, respray it. Got a little bit on the other side too. Yeah, just a little bit. But underneath is pretty clean besides this. I'm just gonna do a quick sand down and touch it up, make it look right. I don't think I'm gonna do a full fix. It's a cheaper truck. Just to make it look right. Yep. Little S10 crew cab, pretty sweet with the V6 4.3 and 4-wheel drive. Yeah, so it's kind of worth it. They're pretty. You don't usually see a lot of crew cab S10s. So we're gonna do a quick fix. So I have one of these. It's kind of a trial and error. I'll try it, see how it works on this, but I have other sanders to try. But this worked pretty good on my last project, just for little stuff. Get some little spots in between here. But we're gonna just try it out. So I got that little bit sanded down. Not a super big deal. It'll save me a couple of years just doing a quick fiberglass on it. Got this little spot here we're gonna touch up on the door. So got a little bit here and there. Another spot right there. We'll sand down real quick and redo it. But that's the progress, just using this. So it'll be quick and easy. Just throw some reinforced fiberglass on it. And it'll hold for a couple years probably. Then I'll probably do some fluid fill behind it so that, you know, it'll stay protected. Underneath's pretty clean though, so I don't feel like doing a full rocker job right now. It's more or less just a hunting truck. Easy to get in and out of trails. But that's the progress for right now. Got a little bit right there. Press that down. It's actually pretty solid. It's just surface, I think. I got fiberglass down there drying, so I'm gonna just clean this up a little bit. I did a little bit right there, so it's actually cleaning up pretty good. Just a surface sand. Just using that. Pretty easy deal. So as you see, I'm going to fill that in with a little bit of fiberglass. It ain't too bad though, overall it's solid. I don't feel like getting the fender. I mean, for the effort of it, I mean, this is pretty quick to fix. Just put a little fiberglass in there, and then I'm gonna go behind everything anyways and put some fluid film, so it should hold over. The guy took care of this, I think, and overall, because usually they don't even last this long, so. But yeah, that's where we are right now. This is the other side, passenger side. It ain't super bad. The other spot was on right here, but we're gonna put some fiberglass there, toughen it up. So, all I gotta do is just a quick sand on that. It's pretty level anyways. I'm not looking for perfect, but enough just to level it, make it look right. You can't notice. And put some spray on it. Pretty easy. I like fiberglass. That's that. Just kind of sanded that one down. This is the fender. But not too bad. I just gotta level it out just a little bit. Not too bad. I took what was on there, the extra off. I'll show you down there. See what that looks like. Alright, this is the other spot down below. That's kind of leveled out now. Now I just gotta scuff it down and put some primer on it. You'd find an extra spot up here. But that ain't really that bad. I just sanded it. Didn't really need any fiberglass. Been a fun project. So now we got it leveled out. Used a regular hand palm sander just because it wasn't really that bad. Pretty much leveled out. I'll put some primer on it here in a second after I scuff it. I gotta do that whole thing. So, yep. So I scuffed it down, and then I wiped it down, and then now I'm moving into primer. I did more than I should have, but whatever. That's it. Quick prime. I gotta do the very bottom, but no big deal. Alright, so we got two different colors of red. I don't know which one. We might blend them, whatever. I know this is a gloss, this is a single stage, so I might try this first, see if that matches. It's a different car I used it for, but we'll try it. We're gonna tack cloth it because it's primer. Right now I let that dry for a day or so. But one of those are gonna line up, so we have a good color to it. If not a big deal. Alright, we're gonna try her out. We're gonna tack it down. get everything off of it if there's anything, oil, whatever. Tack cloth is pretty good for that. Makes it bond too, so. All right, we're gonna try her out, wherever one works. I think that color was like right on. Crap, you barely can tell. That's the first coat anyways. That don't look bad at all. Looks pretty good for what it was. Taking a chance on the color. I like that, works awesome. This was for like a red Hyundai that I tried out for. See if it was gonna work. Worked pretty good, I thought. There's the first coat. I let it sit for a little bit. So I did 2 coats. Don't look too bad. Overall not bad for a cheap truck. But that paint I put on was a single stage. So there ain't really, I mean it shines, but not a lot. So I found me some of this 2X clear. I'm gonna put it on that for more protection. Should hold a little better. I don't care, it's a cheap truck, so whatever. More protection. So that was a bad idea. Started taking the other paint off. I thought that was gonna work, but I guess not. So I'm gonna have to redo that. Paint looked pretty good until I put that clear on. Big mistake. I thought it would have worked, but whatever, we'll just redo it. So this is the passenger side. I got that cleaned up a little bit. It's all primered. I went all the way down. That's a pretty good spot right there that I had to fix. It kind of like chip paint. It was huge. Huge. But that's the other side. It's all primed. Not looking for perfect anyways, I don't care. Just something to make it look better. But yeah, that's passenger side. So that's what it is. Did a couple coats. This is the driver's side. It don't look too bad. Pretty much almost matches for a color that I didn't even try to match. Just something close. It don't look too bad. That's this side. This is the passenger side. Not too bad. I'll do a different video of it outside, but this is what it is right now. I gotta let it dry. Not too bad though. Good color. Won't even notice outside probably, but I did mix a couple. I used a little bit of this 3X, 2X cover, red apple. That was like my base where I laid down. I laid the other kind right on top of it. That's pretty good thick stuff right there, so it works pretty good. But that's this project. We're gonna be moving into more because this needs a little bit of work. It should be fun to do. But thanks for watching and God bless.